Now we are going to discuss about exercise 3.4. In that exercise 3.4, we are going to solve the partly factored polynomial of degree 4. So here I am giving you the working rule for partly factored polynomial with the quartic polynomial. Quartic means quarter means 4. So if degree 4 means that polynomial is known as quartic polynomial. Quadratic means degree 2. Quadratic is degree 2. Quartic means degree 4. So let quartic polynomial equation of the form ax plus b into cx plus d into px plus d into rx plus s plus k is equal to 0. Why we are calling as a quartic polynomial? Here x power is 1, here also x power is 1, and here also x power is 1, and here also x power is 1. If you multiply together, you will get a polynomial of degree 4. That's why it is called quartic polynomial, where k is not equal to 0. This k should not be equal to 0. So now we are going to combine these 4 terms as our wish to get like alpha x square plus beta x plus lambda into alpha x square plus beta x plus mu plus k is equal to 0. That is, the first 2 terms of this quadratic polynomial should be same. Like that, we have to combine this linear polynomial. Okay. So we can combine 1 and 2, we can combine 1 and 3, we can combine 1 and 4. And 2 to linear polynomial I am combining, but I should get the first 2 terms of this quadratic polynomial should be equal. That is, x square term and x term should be equal. So this is the main rule in this partly factored polynomial, solving the partly factored polynomial rule. Okay. So step 2 is nothing but, so here alpha x square plus beta x both are same. So this term alone I am going to consider it is some lambda or y, whatever you want you can take. So I am going to assume this part alone some constant. I am going to take y. I am going to take y, that is alpha x square plus beta x is equal to y. Then the equation will become, so instead of this I am going to substitute y. So instead of this I am going to substitute y. So y plus lambda. Here also instead of this I am going to substitute y. This will be y plus mu plus k is equal to 0. So if you multiply this y with y, we will get y square, and lambda with y. So you will get a quadratic equation. That is what I have done. I have given quartic polynomial, that is degree 4th degree polynomial I have given using the combining the terms of linear polynomial. I have reduced into quadratic polynomial. So for the quadratic polynomial we know that we have 2 solutions. So we have a quadratic equation in terms of y. Now step 3 is, we can solve the quadratic equation by formula method or factorization method. That is, we have 2 solutions for y. We have 2 solutions for y. Then step 4 is nothing but, after getting the y value, we want to replace y by alpha x square plus beta x, because y is equal to alpha x square plus beta x only we have assumed. So after getting the value of y, I want to replace alpha x square plus beta x. Then we can get 2 quadratic equation in x. We can get two quadratic equation in x. So now again you have to solve the two quadratic equation. We get 4 solution for x. So that 4 solution will be the solution of the quartic polynomial. Then the first question is x minus 5 into x minus 7 into x plus 6 into x plus 4, that is equal to 504. So this is a question given. It is a quartic polynomial we are given. So now I told you already, I can combine the first term and second term, and I can combine second term and third term, and I can combine third term and fourth term, or first term and fourth term. So I can combine anything, but I should get the first two terms should be equal. If I get a quadratic polynomial means the first two terms of that quadratic polynomial should be equal. Suppose you take this first one and fourth one. I am going to combine now. X minus 5, x plus 4. Just I am going to combine x minus 7 into x plus 6. So combining the first term and last term together and combining the second term and third term together. So we have x minus 5 into x plus 4, x minus 7 into x plus 6 minus 504 is equal to 0. So now if you multiply this x with x square, and then if you multiply this thing, you will get x square minus x minus 20. Here if you multiply these two things, you will get x square minus x minus 42. So clearly you can observe that this term and this term are same. Okay, this term and this term are same. So if you multiply the first term and second term, these two terms cannot be same. This partly factored polynomial, the model is first two terms of the quadratic equation must be same. So like that only we have to combine the terms. Otherwise you won't get the answer. Have it in your mind. Okay. So x square minus x minus 20, x square minus x minus 42 minus 504 is equal to 0. So now after getting the two quadratic equation, we are going to substitute y is equal to x square minus x. Whatever you have, no, same thing that you want to substitute, y is equal to x square minus x. So in first equation, this I can take as a first equation. Now equation 1 can be written as, instead of this x square minus x, I need to replace y. So y minus, here 20 I have, so I have written y minus 20. Here instead of x square minus x, I have to replace y. So y minus, here I have 42. So you need to write 42. This is minus 504 I am writing. That will be equal to 0. So if you multiply this, y into y square, minus 20 into y is minus 20y, y into 42 is minus 42y, minus 20 minus 42 is plus 840. This minus 504 I am writing as it is. If you multiply this 20 with 42, you will get 840. That will be equal to 0. So if you subtract 504 from 840, you will get 336. So here minus 20y minus 42y is nothing but minus 62y. So y square minus 62y plus 336. So while adding, I should get minus 62. While multiplying, I should get 336. Positive 336 I should have. So like that we have to factorize. So now 336 can be factorized by minus 56 minus 6. So if you add this two number, you will get minus 62. If you multiply this two number, you will get positive 336. So now I can factorize this as y minus 56 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. So, y minus 56 is equal to 0. First case I am considering. Y minus 6 is equal to 0. I am considering the second case. So, y is equal to this negative 56 I am going to take to that side, that will be positive 56. Y is equal to this negative 6 I am going to take to that side, this is positive 6. So, now once if you get the answer for y should be replaced by what you have taken here, x square minus x. So, you should replace y by x square minus x. So, now instead of y I need to substitute x square minus x. So, x square minus x is equal to 56. This positive 56 I am going to take to this side, that will be negative 56. So, this 56 should be factorized. So, 56 can be factorized by 8 7s are 56 minus 8 plus 7 will give you negative x. So, this can be factorized by x minus 8 into x plus 7 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 8 comma minus 7. So, these are the two solutions. Now, I want to find out another two solutions. X square minus x is equal to 6. So, y is equal to 6 I got. So, I am replacing y by x square minus x is equal to 6. So, this positive 6 I can take to that side, that will be negative 6. So, this minus 6 can be factorized by x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, minus 6. So, x is equal to 3 comma minus 2. Therefore, the four solutions are 8 comma minus 7 comma 3 comma minus 2. So, only thing here you should consider is which term should be combined, that you should decide. So, orally you know that this actually the constant term, no, how to decide constant term, this term and this term just like that you add, okay, you will get minus 1. This term and this term you add, that will be minus 1. So, this both can be combined because the middle term you should get as same. Anyway, you are going to get x square. Okay, x into x square, x into x square you are going to get as same. But only thing is middle term you must have same. Suppose if you take this first term and second term, just see the middle term will be minus 5 minus 7. Minus 5 minus 7 will be minus 12x you should get. Okay. Then second, if you combine first two term, the only possibility is third term and fourth term should be combined. You just check 6 plus 4. So, 10x you should get. Here you are getting minus 12x. Here you are getting plus 10x. Middle term is not getting equal. So, that I should not combine first term and second term. Then you have to check with the first term with third term. So, like that you should check each and every combination, you have to check and you should decide. So, finally, the suitable pair you will get. Anyway, you will get the suitable pair, but you have to check and do. So, that is the only thing you should do here. Do it carefully. This is very easy model actually, but you should decide which pair should be combined. Now, the second question is x minus 4 into x minus 7 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. So, now is equal to 16. Now, first term and third term, if you add the constant term, no, minus 4 minus 2. So, you are getting minus 6. So, if you are adding the constant term for second one and fourth one, you are getting minus 6. So, this is a right pair. First one and third one and second one and fourth one is a right pair. So, any other pair if you are taking means you won't get the same middle term. Okay. So, now x minus 4 into x minus 2, x minus 7 into x plus 1 this positive 16 I am going to take to that side, that will be negative 16, that will be equal to 0. So now if you multiply this number with this number, you will get x square minus 16x plus 8. If you multiply this x minus 7 with x plus 1, you will get x square minus 6 minus 7 minus 16 is equal to 0. So here we can clearly observe that these two terms are equal. So if you are getting the equal term, then this must be replaced by y. This must be replaced by y. So if you replace this term by y, so this must be replaced by y. This will be y plus 8 and this will be y minus 7. Minus 16 is equal to 0. Then if you multiply this with this, y into y is y square. Then 8 minus 7, that is directly I am writing plus 8 minus 7 means plus y, 8 7s are 56, okay. Minus 16 is equal to 0. Then minus 56 minus 16 means minus 72. So this minus 72 should be factorized, that is 8 9s are 72, minus 8 plus 9. I should get plus 1, so that minus 8 plus 9. So y minus 8, y plus 9 is equal to 0. That is equal to y is equal to 8 and y is equal to, if I am going to take this positive 9 to that side, that will be negative 9. So y is equal to minus 9. This is a second equation and this is a third equation. So once if you get the y value, y should be replaced by again x square minus 6. So now I am going to consider replace y by x square minus 6 in second equation. So x square minus 6 is equal to minus 9. So this minus 9 I can take to that side, that will be plus 9. So x square minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 0. So 9 can be factorized by minus 3 minus 3, then only I can get minus 6. Then only I can get minus 6. So x minus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 comma 3. So these are the two solutions. Now in equation 3 I have to replace x square minus 6 is equal to y. Y should be replaced by x square minus 6. So x square minus 6 is equal to 8. So x square minus 6, I am going to take this positive 8 to this side, that will be negative 8, that will be equal to 0. This cannot be solved by factorization method. We can solve by formula method. Formula method is nothing but minus x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 8. So now I must substitute all the values of a, b, c in this x. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8 divided by 2 into 1. So 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus 32 by 2. So 6 plus or minus square root of 68 by 2. 6 plus or minus square root of this 68 can be written as 17 into 4 by 2. So what is the square root of 4? 2. So I can take 2 outside. So 6 plus or minus 2 root 17 by 2. I can take 2 outside and I can cancel with this denominator 2. So if I am taking 2 outside, this will be 3. This will be root 17 by 2. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Therefore, the two solutions are 3 plus or minus root 17. 3 plus or minus root 17. So 4 roots I am writing together. 3 comma 3 comma 3 plus root 17, 3 minus root 17. Now the question is given as 2x minus 1 x plus 3 into x minus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 20 is equal to 0. Now, first term and last term should be combined, and second term and third term should be combined. Then only we can get the answer. X plus 3 into x minus 2, 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus 20 is equal to 0. So, if you multiply this term by this term, you will get x square plus x minus 6 into, if you multiply this term by this term, 2x into 2x is 4x square, 2x into 3 is 6x, 1 into 2x is 2x, negative 2x, minus 1 into plus 3 is 3, plus 20 is equal to 0. So, x square plus x minus 6 into 4x square. So, if you add this two thing, 6x minus 2x means you will get plus 4x, minus 3 plus 20 is equal to 0. So, here I am having 4, here also I am having 4. I should get this term here. So, how to get this term here? So, if I am taking 4 outside, I will get x square plus x, because I want to make the first two coefficients of this quadratic equation must be same. Then only I can use this model, otherwise I cannot use this model. So, I can take 4 outside here. Here I have 4, so I am writing x square. Here I have 4, I am writing x. Here I do not have 4. So, I want to divide by 4 here. Okay. Here only I have 3. So, I cannot take 4 from 3. So, I must divide 4. Okay. Plus 20. Then, this 4 I can take here. 4 into x square plus x minus 6 into x square plus x minus 3 by 4 plus 20. So, I can divide by 4 on both sides. So, if I am dividing 4 on both sides, here 4 will be cancelled. Here I have 20. So, 20 by 4 I should write. Okay. Then these two terms are same. So, I have to replace this two term as y. Y is equal to x square plus x. So, this equation 1, I am taking this as first equation. So, equation 1 will become y minus 6. This will become y minus 3 by 4 plus 20 by 4 is equal to 0. Then you have to multiply this y into y, y square, y into y, y square, y into 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 y, minus 6 into y is minus 6y. Then minus 6 into minus 3 by 4, that is 6 3s are 18, positive 18 by 4, this 20 by 4 I have written as it is equal to 0. So, y square, here I can take y outside, minus y outside, this will be 3 by 4, this will be plus 6, plus I can take LCM as 4. So, 18 plus 20 is 38. Okay. Then y square minus, I can take 4 as LCM. If I am taking 4 as LCM, this will be 3 plus 6 4s are 24 plus 38 by 4 is equal to 0. Y square minus y into, this is 24 plus 3 is 27 by 4 plus 38 by 4 is equal to 0. So, first equation will become y square minus 27y by 4 plus 38 by 4 is equal to 0. So, I can multiply by 4 on both sides. So, if I multiply by 4 means here I will get 4y square. If I multiply by 4 means that 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. Then I will get simply minus 27y. If I multiply by 4 this term, then I will get this 4 and that 4 will be cancelled. I will get 38. If I multiply 0 with 4, I will get 0. Therefore, the equation, we can solve the equation by factorization. That is 4y square minus 27y plus 38. If you don't know how to factorize this bigger number, you can use the formula also. You will get the same answer. Okay. So, 38 into 4 is 152. So, this 152 can be written as minus 19 minus 8 to get minus 27. So, minus 19 minus 8 to get minus 27. So, here I have a coefficient of y square. So, with that coefficient I want to divide. So, divide by 4. Minus 8 by 4 means minus 2. So, y minus 9 by 4, y minus 2. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to this negative 19 by 4, sorry, 19 by 4. If I am going to take to that side, that will be positive 19 by 4, y is equal to positive 2. So, now once if you get the y value, you want to replace y by x square plus x. Y should be replaced by x square plus x. So, now first part, replace y by x square plus x. That is x square plus x is equal to 19 by 4. I can multiply by 4 here. So, 4x square plus 4x is equal to 19. So, 4x square plus 4x minus 19 is equal to 0. Here this cannot be factorized by factorization method. So, I can use a formula method. A is equal to 4, the coefficient of x square, b is equal to again 4, the coefficient of x, and c is equal to minus 19, the constant term of the quadratic equation. So, now I am using the formula, my x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square is nothing but 4. So, 4 square minus 4 into minus 19 by 2 into 4, that is a value. So, minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square is 16. If you multiply this, you will get 304. Minus into minus plus 304, that is 320. You will get 320 here. So, minus 4 plus or minus square root of 320 by 8. So, 320 can be written as 64 into 5. 64 into 5. Minus 4 plus or minus by 8. So, 320. So, you can just divide by 8. Okay. 8 fours are. Again 10. Again 2. 5. So, 8 into 4 into 2 into 5. That is 8 fours are 32. 32 fours are 32 twos are 64 into 5. 64 into 5. 320 can be written as 64 into 5. So, square root of 64 is 8, root 5 by 8. So, I can take 4 outside because 4 is common here. Here 4 is common, here also 4 is common. I can take outside 4. So, this here I am getting minus 1. If I am taking 4 outside from 8, I will get 2. 2 root 5 by 8. So, this can be cancelled by 2 times. So, the x value is minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2. Then part 2 will be replace y by x square plus x. So, consider y is equal to 2. This is the second part I had. So, y should be replaced by x square plus x, that is equal to 2. So, x square plus x, this positive 2 I am taking to this side, that will be negative 2. Then minus 2 can be factorized by 2 ones are 2, plus 2 minus 1. Then I will get positive 1 here. So, x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to, if I am taking this positive 2 to that side, that will be negative 2. Here x is equal to, if I am taking this negative 1 to that side, that will be positive 1. So x is equal to minus 2 comma 1. Therefore, the 4 roots are minus 2 comma 1 comma minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2. So these are the 4 solutions for a factored, partly factored polynomial.